Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making cheese burst pizza just like Domino's, but we are not using any oven, but we are making this on tawa. If you want to know how to make this easy pizza, then keep on watching. First I have taken a bowl and I am adding 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of wheat flour. I have taken both maida and wheat flour. If you want, you can use only maida as well. For this I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. We'll mix all the ingredients together. Adding milk powder to our pizza dough makes it very soft. For this we will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used refined oil, you can use olive oil as well. Once the oil is combined, I am using around half a cup of curd and I am giving a very good mix. Once my curd is nicely incorporated, we will add water as required and we will prepare a nice soft dough here. The dough should not be very hard or stiff, but it has to be very soft, so just add water in intervals and knead a soft dough. I used around half a cup of water here to get a soft dough like this. Once you feel the dough is soft enough and it is well combined, we'll add around 1 tablespoon of oil. We'll knead for another 30 seconds and we will rest this dough for 1 hour to get it fermented. After 1 hour, you can see it is nicely fermented and air is incorporated. We will knead for another 30 seconds or 1 minute. We will tuck in as I showed and we will rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see it is very soft and if I punch, the air is coming out. This is a perfect consistency of a pizza dough. Now we'll prepare our pizza. For that I am taking a ball size like 1/4 of my pizza dough and I am making it a ball. Remaining we will tuck it and we will keep it aside. I am taking a smaller portion of a dough and I will just roll it using my rolling pin. I have dusted maida so that it doesn't stick to our rolling pin. Let this chapati will be little thicker like our tortillas. You can see. Once I have rolled nicely, little bit thick, not too thin, I am taking a fork and I am just poking it so that it doesn't become like a puri or it will not puff once we are frying on a tawa. Now I am placing that chapati what just we prepared on tawa and I'll just cook this half on both sides like around 30 seconds. You can see once I am adding, it's getting bubble. To avoid the bubble, we just used the pork. So I just cooked both the sides for 30 seconds. It's half cooked. Now we'll take remaining portions of a pizza dough what we just saved and using our both the hands with little bit of maida on top, we'll give it a round shape like pizza. As you can see, I'm just using my fingers to get the shape of the pizza. I'm just making it a dent in the middle and I'm creating an edge so that all the veggies and the sauce what we applied will be in the center. After rolling as shown, we'll add to our dough to a tawa directly. I'll be using this tawa to bake. Now I have taken a processed cheese slice. I'm using Amul cheese slice here and I'll be adding it on top of my pizza dough. Place the pizza dough on the tawa which you use for baking now directly. You can add as much as cheese you like, same as cheese burst. I like little in my cheese burst, so I am adding little. If you like more cheese in your cheese burst, add more slice of. Once you have added the cheese slice, take the chapati what we just prepared and just place on the cheese slices and tuck our pizza dough so that the cheese doesn't come out, as you can see here. Once we have nicely tucked, I am taking the pizza sauce. This is the instant pizza sauce I have prepared. If you want to know how to prepare the pizza sauce, I'll just mention a link below. you can go and check my channel as well. I have shown how to prepare a pizza sauce at home. I have taken mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese, and I'm just topping on my pizza sauce. You can use cheddar cheese as well. You can use any toppings or veggies as you require. Now I am using onion, tomatoes and paneer and capsicum in my pizza topping. You can use corn, pineapple as per your wish. So I am just topping my pizza with capsicum, onion, tomato and paneer here. The size of the pizza depends on your requirement. So I have made like a medium pizza here, not too big, not too small. I'm just adding the paneer slices, cubes. After that I'm just topping with a more mozzarella cheese so that our veggies is immersed in cheese. Finally we will add mixed herbs to get more flavor on our pizza. And some chili flakes. As I like spice, I am adding the chili flakes. It's just quite optional. So add the chili flakes and we will bake the pizza on our tawa. So I am just placing the tawa directly on flame. We need to bake this on very low flame for 30 minutes by closing. Like after 30 minutes I'm just opening, you can see our pizza is nicely baked, cheese have melted and we have got nice golden crust and it has nicely fluffed. So I'll just take it out and I'll slice and I'll show you. As you can see, it's nicely cooked, all the veggies and the cheeses are melted nicely. Hope you have liked my video. If so, please subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen and also click the bell button next to the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video.